Let's go over some basics of English grammar with Hindi translations step by step. #1. Nouns. Sangya definition. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: person, teacher, adhyapak, place, school, vidyalay, thing, book, kitab, idea, happiness, khushi. #2. Pronouns. Sarvanam definition. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Examples: I, मैं, you, तुम, आप, he, वह पुरुष, she, वह महिला, it, यह, वह, we, हम, they, वे लोग. #3. Verbs. Kriya definition. A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. Examples: run, दौड़ना, eat, खाना, be, होना, have, रखना, होना. #4. Adjectives. Visheshan definition. An adjective describes or modifies a noun. Examples: big, बड़ा, small, छोटा, beautiful, सुंदर, fast, तेज. #5. Adverbs. Kriya Visheshan definition. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: quickly, तेजी से, slowly, धीरे, very, बहुत, well, अच्छी तरह. #6. Sentence structure. वाक्य संरचना definition. The basic structure of an English sentence typically follows the subject plus verb plus object format. Examples: simple sentence, सरल वाक्य, she reads a book. वह एक किताब पढ़ती है. Negative sentence, नकारात्मक वाक्य, she does not read a book. वह एक किताब नहीं पढ़ती है. Interrogative sentence, प्रश्नवाचक वाक्य, does she read a book? क्या वह एक किताब पढ़ती है? #7. Tenses. Kaal definition. Tense refers to the time of action or state of being as shown by a verb. Examples: present tense, वर्तमान काल, simple present, he eats. वह खाता है. Present continuous, he is eating. वह खा रहा है. Past tense, भूतकाल, simple past, he ate. वह खाया. Past continuous, he was eating. वह खा रहा था. Future tense, भविष्यकाल, simple future, he will eat. वह खाएगा. Future continuous, he will be eating. वह खा रहा होगा. #8. Articles. Articles definition. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Examples: definite article, निश्चित article, the, यह. Example: the book is on the table. किताब मेज पर है. Indefinite article, अनिश्चित article, an, एक. Example: a book is on the table. एक किताब मेज पर है. #9. Prepositions. पूर्वसर्ग definition. Prepositions show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Examples: in, में, on, पर, at, पर, under, के नीचे, between, के बीच. #10. Conjunctions. संयोजन definition. Conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, और, but, लेकिन, or, या, because, क्योंकि, so, इसलिए. By understanding these basic elements and their usage, you can form correct sentences in English.